According to Faraday law, when the flux cutting action takes place on a EMF will induce, the induced EMF is directly proportional to rate of change of flux linkage. That means E directly proportional d lambda by dt, where is lambda is equal to flux linkage and lambda is equal to n phi. Because of lambda here on property, lambda is equal to n by n into phi, n where is n is equal to number of turns and phi means flux, so that is E is equal to, and when we remove this directly proportional sign, then we put n, so d phi by dt, because lambda is equal to n phi, so we put on here d lambda replace n phi, so n x into this, so d by dt, d phi by dt, so dt there is a time because of rate of change of flux linkage, so dt, and minus sign is that with Lenz law. Because of Lenz law, according to Lenz law, induced EMF will oppose its cause. Because of induced EMF, so will be every induced EMF will oppose on cause. So induced EMF on primary side, induced EMF secondary side. Because of primary side, according to Faraday law, induced EMF on primary side is flux linkage this core. So where we supply current, then induced EMF flux this flow, and according to current this coil, and around this coil a flux will be generated, and this flux round shape flow in the core. This is core, and this core material of made up of CRGO and any other metal, and this is not a solid core, this is a thin metal, and each and thin metals put on a solid core, and this core flow a flux phi m, and phi m flow like this, unidirectional, not a unidirectional, this is bidirectional. Because of this is unidirectional, but if have put on secondary side, then flux is generate bidirectional. So formula is equal to minus n d phi by dt, so n d phi by dt, phi here is a flux, and flux will be generated current according to current, and current this phi m sin omega t, so is equal to n phi m omega, and this is sin omega t, and in differentiation cos omega t is equal to n phi m omega sin omega t minus 90. So flux produced in a transformer in varying because of phi is equal to phi m sin omega t. There is a RMS value of induced EMF. So induced EMF lacks the flux phi m by 90 degree angle. Because of transformer working on Faraday law, Lenz law, because Faraday have a two laws, and basic of construction of a transformer, this transformer basic constructions, and where we talk about a transformer basic constructions. So it is a static device there which transfer power from one voltage level to another voltage level without changing in frequency, without changing in power. Because of a transformer is a constant power device, and second line is a transformer is a constant frequency device. Transformer can't be change voltage and power and frequency. Transformer only step up voltage and step down voltage. So because of this line, we talk we call a transformer is a static device. So constructions of a transformer and mainly part of a transformer tank जो कि main tank and the main tank fill in the oil and here's the coil core 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 is a made up of soft iron. Soft iron means CRGO, cold rolled grain oriented. CRGO, cold rolled grain oriented. Core, it is a mostly important part of a transformer because of a used to support the winding of a transformer, primary winding and secondary winding. Both winding of a transformer support of this core. And जो core होता है made up of a laminated soft iron and CRGO, and lamination are used to reduce the eddy current losses. When we use thin lamination and thin lamination directly proportional to eddy current loss. So where is a thin lamination? So reduce the eddy current loss. CRGO used to minimize the hysteresis losses. We use CRGO material because of minimize the hysteresis losses. Winding made up of a copper. There is a two winding, primary winding and secondary winding, and both are coupled in magnetically, not electrically. Electrically isolated both of winding because of here no connection, primary winding and secondary winding. Both of winding are electrically isolated but magnetically coupled because of this primary winding here and secondary winding here. Both of winding not electrically connected but magnetically coupled because of this flux, and flux will be generated according to Faraday law. So transformer have a two winding, and insulating material we will be use varnish insulation, use insulation material use between each lamination and also between core and winding. And transformer oil characteristics, it means transformer oil characteristics like this transformer oil have a many characteristics, and these characteristics write down here. First of high dielectric breakdown, second low viscosity. Low viscosity means provide good heat transformer. Because of low viscosity provide good heat transformer, good heat transfer or a transformer, sorry. And third is a free from moisture. If transformer oil have any moisture, then it could not working in a transformer. So because of we will be use free moisture oil and low power point and 5 high flash point. This is the second name, fire point. High flash point, it means fire point. So it acts as a coolant and insulating material, and there is a low power point, it means low volatility for low vaporization of oil. So this is characteristics of transformer oil. And now have a this is enough for today class.